Hi, this is the COVID hospital. It is at Baner. It is quite a decent setup actually. I had my apprehensions when I moved in over here, but considering it being a government hospital, I wasn't expecting the kind of treatment and care that they have given us over here. It's like a common hospital you see over here. There are all these beds. All of us have our own oxygen supply. So, like, if in case you feel low on the oxygen count, which needs to be maintained above 95, you can just go ahead and use the oxygen. Or, of course, you have the staff, the nurses, the ward boys who help you with that. Uh, Food and all is also decent. It's as per the local taste. Little spicy for my liking, but yeah, nothing to complain about. If you want more, of course, you get more. The timings may be awry, like it may not be as per when you would want it, but still, uh, it does come in time. You can order for extra food as well. Not a single rupees charged. You know, almost all kinds of reports are taken. I mean, they do all the tests, say X-rays. They test your blood sugar almost thrice a day, especially for people who have diabetes and all. Yes, you have food also as per your disease. So if in case you are on a liquid diet, they would provide you food that way as well. Then there are so many tests that keep on happening, and then they keep you on this saline, and I think at least 4 to 5 injections are administered to you. The medicines are good. They're expensive. Yes, I have seen them. You might not have your remdesivirs and all, but yeah, the favipiravir or something that is there and all. So I just happened to see the cost as well of the strips, and yeah, there is no miserliness that they do. So as per your symptoms, if you have bad throat or whatever, they will give you medication accordingly. So on and all, actually very impressed with the kind of treatment that these guys have meted out without charging you a single rupee. And heads off, the staff has been courteous. I have been seeing people, nurses and all, who are taking care of others, because your family members are not allowed, of course. You have to maintain that social distancing and all that. So if there is an old uncle, who does not eat, I have seen nurses, the sisters sit next to them and making them eat, like Baba ek bite khalo, and all that. So very moving. It's awesome. These guys are doing a great job over here. I was someone who was always skeptic, like, is the government doing and all. Maybe they might be making some money or something, everyone does, but still, the kind of care that is given, at least in this center, very honestly impressed. I'll keep you posted. Let's see. I've started a thought, or wherein I would probably be posting a chain of videos to keep everyone abreast, and to give an honest opinion. Where it is good, it's good. Where it's not, it's not. I have been someone who would probably criticize government, or some bureaucratic hiccup the first thing I get an opportunity. But this time it was a pleasant surprise. So I'll keep you guys posted. This video is already more than 4 minutes now, so I'll just cut it short and let's see what's next.